Right, put the instructions on the back, so we'll be following those. Going to go over here. Oh, go back a little bit so you can sort of see. You'll go back in. There's the door up the back end. So we're just going to put it in here temporarily, so I can keep working, and then we'll finish like the other side off over there. Like mask all that up and everything. But yeah, this is for a cabinet. I'm going to put a cabinet here so I can put all my jobs on there that I'm actually still doing right at the moment. Make it easy. My wife went and bought me one of these things, so yeah. Anyway, we'll put it in fast motion, so I don't think you want to be bored with me crapping on. All right. See you later.